Alrighty, it looks like I have everything set up to do your annual physical today. Do you mind confirming your first and last name for me? Perfect. And date of birth. If we do have to send you any prescription medications today, for whatever reason, is there a preferred pharmacy that you'd like us to send it to? Okay. What city is that in? Gotcha. All right. I will make sure that anything we send goes straight there. And then let's see here. What we're going to start with today are just routine vitals, and then we'll do a more comprehensive head-to-toe examination, just kind of basics, go over each of the organ functions and just make sure you're doing well. But you haven't noticed any significant changes since the last time we spoke? Okay, awesome. And you're not taking any new prescription medications? Okay. Any changes to your smoking or drinking status? And any recreational drug use? Okay. Any new family history that we should be aware of since we last saw you? Okay. Perfect. Let me make sure we're all good to go there. And then I am just going to sanitize my hands and we'll get started. It looks like the MA already gave you your gown and you're all prepped. Any concerns or any questions before we do your vitals and then your physical? Okay, cool. I am just going to keep this at the bottom here by your leg. Let me know if it bothers you at all. But how have you been? I feel like it's been forever. Good. Yeah, I've been doing good. I have a toddler now, so it's kind of changed the game a little bit for me as far as levels of exhaustion. So, but I'm really glad to be back. I caffeinated this morning, so I am looking to have a very productive day today. So, yeah. I know, I've missed all my patients from all over the world. But yeah, I'm just ready to be back, feel a little bit more like myself, that's for sure. So first thing we're going to do is I am just going to get your blood pressure, but I am going to just clean off my stethoscope here to make sure we're all good with sanitation, and then we'll get that blood pressure reading. But I'm glad to hear things have been sounding pretty okay for you this past year. Good. All right, let's give that time to dry a little bit. Do you have an arm preference for your blood pressure? Okay, cool. All right. If you want, then I'll put it on that arm, just because I feel like it's a little bit easier for me to reach. Let me just put it around this arm here. Okay, does that feel nice and snug? Good. I am just gonna go silent here. Very good. Blood pressure is normal today, 110/82. Let me just get the extra air out of your arm here. And now just slide your arm out. There you go. Okay. Let me just get that going here. So we're all good to go with the blood pressure. I'm just going to pack this away. We'll get that recorded, and then we'll do a temperature check. Anyone around you at home sick? Okay, just making sure. And you haven't noticed any fever or chills with yourself? Okay. Awesome, awesome. And in case you forgot, this is going to be a sublingual temp, okay? Yep. So right underneath your tongue, you've got an alcohol pad on standby there. Oh goodness, I'm going to have to get more temperature probe covers, that's for sure. Can't believe I'm already running out of those. Here. All right, and this is just going to go right underneath your tongue. Perfect. Temperature looks good. Let me just grab this alcohol swab here to cleanse this off. All right, and then we are all good to go there, and we can get started with your head to toe assessment. Perfect. Pack that stuff up here. Awesome, awesome. All right, let me just get to writing that value here. Perfect. All right. So first part of this assessment is I'm just going to do like a quick scalp exam. So I am just going to open up my little drawer here, grab a pen light, and just something to kind of help move the hair follicles here. And of course, as always, you let me know if you get too uncomfortable, but we'll start with just a general inspection. Any itchiness or extra flaky scalp at all recently? Okay. Okay, everything is looking very healthy. So let me just get the back of your head here. Okay. Inspection does appear completely normal. Lovely. Okay, so we're all done with the inspection portion of the head examination. What I am going to do now is just press on your head just to make sure I don't feel anything and that you're not tender anywhere. None of that hurts, right? Good. All right. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Head inspection seems good to go. Now we're going to move on to the HENT. Head, ears, eyes, nose, and throat. So we'll do general facial inspection again. Grab my pen light here. I'm just looking at your face. I will let you know if I need you to do anything, but do you wear sunscreen? Good. Yeah. Awesome. Okay. Alright, I'm going to take a quick look at this ear. External ear inspection appears good. Take a quick look at this ear. No signs of external ear infection. Very good. If you wouldn't mind looking at my finger here, we're just going to assess your pupillary reflex. Perfect. I'm going to take a quick look in your nose. Turbinates look healthy. Okay, cool. And while I have grab my pen light, before I put it down, I am going to have to do a quick assessment of inside of your mouth and the back of your throat. Yeah, I know, I'm sorry. All right, say ah. There you go. And just kind of moving your tongue over to make sure I really get a good look. Everything looks good internally. Awesome. Alright, next part is I am just going to press on your face and assess your lymph nodes, okay? Got your pre-regular. I'm just looking at the size, the shape, mobility of these lymph nodes kind of underneath your neck area here too. Any pain when I press on your face like this? Okay, good. Any pain when I press on this ear? Pain when I press on this ear? Good. Let me grab a little cotton swab here just for sensation. If you wouldn't mind closing your eyes for me, just let me know when you feel this. Good. 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 And does the sensation seem equal on all sides? Good. Perfect. Awesome. Okay, super good. All right. Next thing that I do want to assess is your hearing. So if you wouldn't mind keeping your eyes closed for me and just let me know when you hear a ringing and when it stops. Perfect. Good. Good. Excellent. Perfect. All right. Very good. You did great with that. And then next part here is we got all the basic function there, so that's good. Next part is I am just going to take a quick listen to your heart, if you don't mind. So I'm just going to untie this. Okay, cool. We're just going to do like a general skin assessment as well, just to make sure I don't see any suspicious moles or anything like that. Let me take a quick look at your arm here. Good. Okay. All right. General skin inspection looks good. All right. Let me just listen to your heart now. All right. You can breathe normal. Listen to the different valves to make sure we don't hear any murmurs. Okay, no murmurs. Can you take a deep breath in for me? And out. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Very good. All right, heart and lung examination is good. Let me get this tied up again for you, just for some privacy. And next I'm going to do an abdominal examination. You feeling okay so far? Good. That all closed up for you. Okay. I know you have this like white drape here. I'm just going to move it over a little bit. Let me know if you get too uncomfortable. We'll do general inspection of your abdomen here. Okay. Not noticing any skin changes at all, which is good. Okay. I'm going to press on your abdomen now. You let me know if any of this causes you pain. Okay, now we're just going to do some percussion. Okay, and final thing is I just want to listen to your bowel sounds. Okay. Any constipation, diarrhea? Okay. Okay. All right. Abdominal sounds are completely normal. We'll cover you up right there again. I'm just going to take a quick look at your legs here and assess for circulation by your feet. Any concerns with circulation? Okay, just making sure. The final test we're going to do is your reflexes, okay? So if you could just give me this arm for me. Good. Okay, this arm over here. Yep, just relax the best that you can. Good. Okay, I'm going to do your knees real quick. Okay. Okay, and then down by your ankle here. Very good. Reflexes are completely intact. Everything looks really good here. Let me just make notes on your full body physical. But honestly, everything looks super good. I don't really have any active concerns today at all, which is great. Let's see. All right. Do you have any questions at all regarding the physical that was done today? Doing pretty well? Awesome. Okay. So yeah, I made note of everything. Do you need any refills on your allergy med? Okay. All right. Just making sure. Well, I am all set with you today. Whenever you feel comfortable and ready, you are free to get dressed and make your way to the front desk, and the staff will take care of you there. I did put some blood work orders in. You can get them anytime within the next week when you have time to get down to the lab. But other than that, I mean, you are all set with me. It was, of course, a pleasure taking care of you today. And please let me know how we feel about this new environment, if you like it, if you don't. You know, this medical office is above where my mom lives because she's watching the toddler. So let me know if you actually prefer it here or you like the older setting in my old office / house better. Okay? But pleasure seeing you again. I can't wait to see each other more often. I'll see you later.